Please like, share and subscribe if you want to watch more videos from us.
Thanks for watching.
Important life events. Birthday. Birthday.
Happy birthday. Have an amazing year. Happy birthday. Have an amazing year.
Wedding. Wedding. Congratulations on your wedding. Best wishes to you both. Congratulations on your wedding. Best wishes to you both. New Year. New Year.
Happy New Year. Cheers to a great year ahead. Happy New Year. Cheers to a great year ahead. Graduation. Graduation. Congratulations on your graduation. Well done. Congratulations on your graduation. Well done. Promotion. Promotion. Congratulations on your promotion. You earned it. Congratulations on your promotion. You earned it. New baby. New baby. Congratulations on the new arrival. Enjoy every moment. Congratulations on the new arrival. Enjoy every moment. Housewarming. Housewarming. Congratulations on your new home. Cheers to new beginnings. Congratulations on your new home. Cheers to new beginnings. Retirement. Retirement. Congratulations on retiring. Enjoy your well-deserved rest. Congratulations on retiring. Enjoy your well-deserved rest. Engagement. Engagement. Congratulations on your engagement. Best wishes to you both. Congratulations on your engagement. Best wishes to you both. Job offer. Acceptance. Congratulations on the new job. Best of luck. Congratulations on the new job. Best of luck. New business. New business. Congratulations on starting your own business. Success to you. Congratulations on starting your own business. Success to you. Anniversary. Anniversary. Happy anniversary. Here's to many more happy years. Happy anniversary. Here's to many more happy years. House purchase. House purchase. Congratulations on your new home. Enjoy making memories. Congratulations on your new home. Enjoy making memories. Recovery from illness. Recovery from illness. Congratulations on your recovery. Wishing you good health. Congratulations on your recovery. Wishing you good health. Funeral. Funeral.
I'm so sorry for your loss. Please accept my deepest condolences. I'm so sorry for your loss. Please accept my deepest condolences.
Grief. Grief.
I understand this is a tough time. Take care of yourself. I'm here for you. I understand this is a tough time. Take care of yourself. I'm here for you.
Healing. Healing.
Be gentle with yourself as you heal. I'm here to listen and support you. Be gentle with yourself as you heal. I'm here to listen and support you.